Way back in ancient Egypt, an ingenious man known as Eratosthenes discovered that when the sun was directly above a deep well in one city, one could measure the angle of the shadow at a nearby city to the north and multiply that by the distance between the two cities to get the distance around the entire Earth. This discovery marked the beginning of geodesy. Geodesy is the science that deals with the measurement and representation of the Earth. It is about knowing where things are and, just as importantly, where they have been and where they are going. Through geodesy, we learn the rough shape and size of the Earth, the cause of its rotation, its distance from other planets and more. By doing triangulation, we can create detailed maps of an entire country. It even helped us realize that the Earth is not quite a perfect sphere after all. After some debating and expeditions to Lapland and Peru, we knew that it is just a bit thicker in the middle. Grounding on this principle, we found numerous practical uses of geodesy. We could reliably determine latitude and longitude from stars and accurate watches so that ships can cross vast oceans to get to where they needed to go. Man began to explore the uncharted region, mapped them, and even found Malaysia's tallest mountain. Later, engineers built highways and tunnels to get us to all these places. With a bit of math and the same reference surface, a tunnel can be started on both ends and somehow still meet in the middle. Life was good. After humans invented radio telescopes and satellites, things became more exciting. When scientists used a bunch of small radios like this big one to look at a quasar, somebody got the idea that they could use this measurement to determine the distance between the telescope very accurately. Today, we can measure the Earth's crust movement, how long days are, and how the Earth wobbles on its axis. Satellites also became very important. They let us learn about our planet changing shape, size, and gravity. By making laser measurement, we can look at everything from changes in the height and shape of the ocean to how the tide works. So, from ancient Egypt to the hundreds of satellites in orbit today, geodesy continues to have a massive impact in our lives. And all because a long time ago, somebody decided to look down a well.